It makes me feel good to be part of something that makes a difference in the world. Well, I've been here 26 years. I started out in just plastic fabrication. I then became assistant foreman. I took over the field service, installations, mechanical, and then I came back into the shop and took over plastics assembly as the foreman. So in 25 years, I've advanced quite a bit here at Burt.
Burt Process seemed like a great fit from the start. I was really excited to meet the team and accept my offer. I thought the website was very engaging. What drew me to it was the benefits and the competitive salary.
Here at Burt Process, we manufacture wastewater treatment and various fluid handling systems. We are a multifaceted manufacturing and distribution company. We're headquartered in Connecticut with a fulfillment center on the West Coast and Ohio. We have regional sales reps across the country expanding our reach and opportunity.
In the 5 years, almost 6 years I've been here now, everything has been really kind of as a close family in a way where, we work hard, but we also, have a lot of fun outside of work between the golf tournament and cornhole, and everyone's, not just excited to be here and do their work, but also to, enjoy activities outside of the office.
Seeing how much the company cares about its culture by participating in multiple charity events throughout the year is truly special. When I initially started working here, I was a little intimidated. It's a large company, many people, but after a little while, I started realizing how close-knit and family-oriented and community-oriented this company is, and I truly, absolutely enjoy working here.
We pride ourselves in our commitment in keeping a safe and healthy work environment. We really do see growth in the company, as well as within other employees. We're really a team, and I'm glad to be a member of Burt Process.
As a rapidly growing company, we are dedicated to developing new leaders, especially those that are willing to utilize technology to increase our efficiency and advance the company faster than ever before.